everyone. This is Gay Esser from RegDesk with a quick regulatory update. Let's take a look at our top 3 essential alerts in medical device regulations. For our alerts this week, we have alerts from South Korea, Australia, and Hong Kong. For our first alert in South Korea, there is a guideline for the explanation of regulations on renewal of medical device manufacturing licenses. This guideline incorporates the recently issued Medical Device Item Renewal Work Guidelines for government employees and provides a comprehensive overview of the requirements and interpretation of regulations concerning medical device license renewals. For our second alert in Australia, there is a change of sponsor name notification form available outlining the approved procedures for notifying the TGA about the sponsor's name changes for therapeutic goods. For our third alert in Hong Kong, the Medical Device Division of Hong Kong has updated Rule 14, Clause 7.1, and the format of Technical Reference, Classification of General Medical Devices, TR 003. Thank you for joining us. You can stay updated with RegDesk for your most important regulatory news. This is Gay Esser with your top essential alerts.